Gentlemen, it is finally time to do what we had set out to do. Boom! Reseal Subaru motor time plus timing. Okay? Alright. Buckle up. If you haven't already, subscribed. I'm TKIRKMEDIA. My name's Tyler. I'm your host. We're gonna get this shit done today. We gotta get this Subaru in position to be in that engine bay. Hopefully by the end of the weekend, but we'll see what we can come up with today in terms of progress. Grandpa Mike's on the way. It's gonna be a fun-filled day, of course. We got the spread. Thank goodness for Tanner for letting me borrow his tools, because otherwise this job would be a whole hell of a lot funner. But we got some parts. You know the deal.
Wait. Morning, is YAMEII? Hello. YAMEII. YAMEII. Hello.
Take a picture of what?
Take a picture of the assembly.
You're right. Yay! I was gonna hit your snack out of your hands.
Yeah, that would have been a mistake.
Dude, is that a whole pie? Jeez, Mike.
I guess we already ate one, just for the second one.
Damn.
There you go. That's all you needed. Pull it off. Now, you didn't take a picture, did you?
I did. I just took 3. You weren't paying attention. Oh, I got the guides I gotta pull off there.
Always half-assed with it. Always. Get your thing. Take that
Come
thing
on,
off.
Mike. Where's the assist? I got 2 things in my hand here, and I'm just fucking going to town. You know what I'm saying? I'm going
There
crazy.
you go. You're fucking up already.
Yeah. That one's rolling down the driveway.
It's gone across the street.
Did it really?
It is. It's going across the street.
That one's for the homie.
Look at it. In the middle of the street.
Wait. Morning, is YAMEII? Hello. YAMEII. YAMEII. Hello. Need no help. Sometimes the world may try to put you on a shelf. Cybernetic chemistry, physics don't mean shit to me. Bend that shit, I got the key. Solo, no apostrophe. I blow up like TNT. Rock that liquid D&B. Make you see shit, no DUT. Tell me what you see in me. Shout out Havana. Use that software just to talk on. Hard to find, like a llama. They want me as baby mama. I'm not waifu, I don't like you. Not JK, but I might wipe you. Sweet and sour, a delight to be with me. You have no right to. By myself, need no help. Sometimes the world may try to put you on a shelf. I got wins, I'm slipping on the PCs than Microsoft.
Well, would you look at that? Even new seals. Man, down to the covers. We finished it. Not really. We finished the timing job. Thanks, Mike, for helping out. Definitely, it was nice having him to get me through it. Kind of worked together on this one. Got her finished up. He likes to take control of the situation when it comes to this kind of stuff because he doesn't get to do it often. So I'll let him have fun with it. Definitely help me get through the parts that I didn't want to do. I don't know. I hate Subaru timing because the interference heads. You get over it in your head and you just overthink it. Really, it wasn't that hard of a job, and definitely was due to the fact that Tanner came through clutch with the timing tools. I didn't need all of those. Obviously, I thought I was gonna have to take these off on the both sides to get to the seals, and it didn't look too dirty, so sue me, I didn't do it. But yeah, if I didn't have that tool, thanks Tanner once again for letting me borrow that shit, because that saved my ass. It would have made it so much easier, so much less of a nightmare with that tool, that's for sure. So if you don't have that tool, buy one or borrow it from a friend that has one like I did. Lucky me, stuff's falling all over me. Anyways, another thing that I did that I didn't really show is I polished these sweet covers. So I spent some time on that. I didn't really spend as much as I wanted to in certain areas, but polished and resealed, new grommets, new gaskets. The only gasket that I need to probably replace would be this filler neck one, and it'll probably be fine. I did get some hoses for the water pump, for the straight piece here, for the 90 here that goes to the overflow. But really I need to start getting my intake manifold put back together, which is stored directly over here. Matte red. I forget what the color. It's supposed to be close. It should be close to the STI stock color. That's what I wanted, just stock looking. So that looked really good. That turned out really good. He did a great job at shaving the front too. Cleaned it up nicely, made it nice and smooth. So this turned out really well. Actually, everything turned out really well in terms of the powder coated gems. Got this vinyl on too. I don't think I showed anybody that, but I did do the vinyl cutouts, just some regular Oracle vinyl. See how it lasts and see how it works. Still got to put the pads in. When I was soaking some of these with the chrome cleaner, I let them soak for too long, so some of them went caustic, kind of corroded up on the opposite side. So hopefully I can fix that and clean that up. Probably scuff them and redo them, but there's still some yet to clean on these other ones. But I think the nice hardware would be the touch. You know, the finishing touches is all it's about. The finishing touches of this build. So also Tanner, thanks for coming in clutch with the one-piece GAM aluminum drive shaft. Picked that up off him one of those trips throughout the weekend, and definitely thankful for that. Hopefully that'll remedy one of my vibrating issues that was happening in the rear at 65 miles per hour. But gonna keep moving on with this car, just slowly but surely getting it sorted, one thing at a time. Yeesh. But you know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. Signing off. TKIRKMEDIA.